Hi and welcome to this Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about how to split videos or how to chop off unwanted portions of these videos. Now let's just go in. I have the Filmora minimized in my desktop. So let's go. So first is I'm going to import media files. Okay, I'm taking this video, my video which I told you that I got recorded in my Note 8. I will show you the reason why I'm using this video again and again. Okay, now I'm going to drag this into my timeline. So it shows the resolution or frame rate of the media. So I just want you to, it's better that I unselect always ask and then match to media. Okay, so this video looks a little bit bigger more than my timeline. So I'm going to click it, zoom to fit timeline. Okay, so it comes here. Okay, now before we go into everything, now let me start with the project. I want you to press save this. I pressed Control plus yes. So we are going to just keep film video. Okay, or else Filmora and press Filmora tutorial. tutorial. So we are just going to create a new project which is called as Filmora tutorial. I'm going to press save. Okay. Now let's start. So I'm going to just start playing this video. So you can see me here. I'm having a lavalier collar mic. I just want to place myself in the correct position. Now you can see that I started this course.
This is one of the most important video and the story what I'm going to speak about.
Now let's go here. Now I'm going to teach you how to remove these unwanted portions in this video. We don't want our viewers to see us adjusting our mics or going and standing to the position where this video to be recorded, right? So this would be the option. When you go and keep your mouse, you can see the option is called as split or Control B. Now let's go once again. I'm going to start playing this video. Okay, once again, I'm sorry for this, but you need to compare with me. Okay, now okay, I'm gonna stand. Okay, this would be this start position where I'm going to start recording for this course. I'm going to just press split button here. I do not want all these videos in my course, right? I'm going to click there. You can see this this color changing. Okay, and I'm just going to press delete here. Okay, nothing other than this. So you just got it here. Okay, and now I just also need to remove this end portion of this video. So end portion unwanted things. So I'm going to stop this start playing this video.
Bye.
Yeah, I think this would be the fine. Then once again I'm going to press the scissor symbol. So I do not want this positions here. Okay, I'm just going to cut and delete. Now let me just see. Okay,
is completely different
now
from
let's see
each
what is
and
going to happen
every
here.
people in this life. I do not want to continue this video further on putting explanations. I hope so this video is self-explanatory for you. I hope so really that you have enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All the right. Bye. Take care.
Okay.
Hi and welcome to my video on.
Okay. Sorry. So you got this starting and as well as the ending right by splitting. To split is one of the most easiest tasks. You can see here you can bring your cursor wherever you want and then you can just press your split button, then you can move this video, then you can drag it here. Right now I'm going to just undo it here. I'm going to press Ctrl Z here. Okay, so this would be the things. Once again I'm going to press Ctrl Z because I don't want to see this video as splitted. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching this video, for learning how to split this. I'll meet you in the next course. Then till then,